Hello, Namaste. Welcome to that awkward yogi. This is day 9 of 30 days yoga challenge. I am Payal. I'm not a yoga expert or fitness influencer. I'm just curious and that's why I'm doing this. Today I'm not feeling that energetic, so I will be avoiding those power yogas. Rather, I will focus on stretching more. I am using a guided yoga session by Cassandra. I'll link it below in case you also want to try it. So let's begin. This video is in 4x speed. So this is day 9. I keep it very simple. I did normal stretching just to, feel a little flexible at the morning. Today I'm not very energetic. I'm not very in a mood to do some workout type yoga. So I kept it very simple and normal stretching. Thanks for joining me. Namaste.